Choosing the carpentry and building. The advancement of technology has allowed the modern society to enjoy the convenience of building structures with the best materials available in the market. However, there still remain a big number of people out there who prefer the traditional style and comfort provided by carpentry. This is where you can make best use of the help by a carpentry build and construction company. The art of carpentry has long been the craft that produces quality materials. This involves woodworking with the use of the right skills and creativity. Through these resources, a carpenter can create small wooden objects, useful furniture pieces, and even sturdy buildings and structures. Thus, it is no surprise that despite the multitude of choices in terms of construction materials, carpentry remains to be a favorite in constructing buildings. There is also more to carpentry than being a classic craft. Today, it is valued skill to be able to do carpentry. Attending the carpentry school is also very common to be able to do the woodworking properly. Through this, an individual can learn how to make blueprints and plan for wooden structures. This also involves execution of the plan and being able to repair a finished product. So if you're planning to have a wooden house for your family home, it is best to secure the right construction company. Carpentry building can be a feasible option for construction. Just make sure you hire the right people. To execute quality jobs, lives of people will depend on the strength and durability of the structure. Thus, you cannot afford to take this decision lightly. Carpentry building, the right construction choices. There are construction companies that specialize in carpentry building. It is best if you take your time to find these companies in the market. You can surely find a good number of choices in your locality. You